Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Virali. Today I have a really exciting product review that I wanted to do. First of all, I wanted to introduce you to a company called Gynoveda. I'm pretty sure you already understand the whole concept. It's gynecology and Ayurveda. Bring it together and it just creates a match made in heaven. So Gynoveda is all research based. It's the first brand actually that includes the power of Ayurveda and combines it with gynecology. I just think that is so innovative and so brilliant because I know as women, whenever we're menstruating or we have our periods, we know we try a lot of home remedies to cure our symptoms, to cure any kind of pain that we may have. A lot of people, myself included, I don't feel comfortable taking just over the counter pills like paracetamol just for a stomach pain or for back pain or something like that. I don't feel comfortable putting unnecessary medications into my body, and I would rather venture onto the path of Ayurveda. So I think this is really awesome because they combine Ayurveda and scientific research, they mix it together, and that is what Gynoveda is all about. Their basic mission is to utilize the natural goodness of Ayurveda to help women take control over their periods. And that is just something that's really new and that's really interesting to me. You know, I was on their website, I spoke with the co-founders, I've seen all of their data, their statistics, everything. And a lot of women have been using their products to help them with their periods, like for PCOS, PCOD, heavy bleeding, discharge. And the best thing is, it's a permanent cure, which I just think is brilliant. They also have India's first period bot. So you go online onto their website, you answer a series of questions about your menstrual cycle, and it will suggest if you need to get in touch with them, if you're having healthy periods, if you're not, what kind of conditions you may be having. Because I know a lot of women are a little bit terrified sometimes to go to gynecologists because judgment, a lot of judgment. I've taken this test myself and I just think this is really awesome, so innovative, so different, and I think this is something that India really needs to be aware about. But more than just Gynoveda and what their services are, they actually sent me a really cool product. It's called the anti-junk pill or the detox pill, and I have two boxes here waiting for me which I'm really eager to open. I want to show you. I took a little bit of a sneak peek because the illustrations are just to die for. So this is the power of Ayurveda, the detox pill. It's a bedtime pill. And I mean, just look at this character. I mean, she's doing yoga, she's meditating. Just look at how in peace she is with herself right now. And I mean, it's all written Gynoveda over here. Let's open it. Oh, okay. So there are 8 herbs in here: amla, ginger, hing, pipali, castor oil. I can't pronounce the rest, so you guys can take a look for yourself. So let's actually get into this. The packaging looks so cool. I'm really glad that this is made out of cardboard. This is recyclable. I think that is really important. You know, we need to take care of ourselves, but we need to take care of the environment as well. So without further ado, let's crack into this and let's see. Oh, this is pretty cool. Okay, so it says hashtag take a chill pill, click a selfie, and tag Gynoveda. I mean, just look at the illustrations. I mean, I think that is bang on. That's so cool. It's so chill. Like it's like take a chill pill. Like it's so chilled out and it's beautiful. This resonates with me. I want to be like her. I want to be just as in peace as she is. This is what I want. Like, this is what I want to achieve and attain. Let's get into it. Okay, awesome. I love this packaging. I love the gold around here, the gold trimming. So this is 1 month's worth of tablets. You get 60 tablets in here. You're supposed to consume 2 pills at night right before bedtime. And you know, on their website, I did a little bit of research on on this. So these tablets are specifically women oriented. They have ingredients for full body detox. They're for women's optimal health and wellness. They flush out all kinds of toxins from your system. It helps detox your uterus for healthy periods. It clears dead cells for glowing and healthy skin. There's bloating control in this. I mean, basically just helps you out all over, flushes out all of your toxins. It detoxifies you, it detoxifies your body, and it works at night while you're sleeping. So all you need to do is just put this on your bedside table, set an alarm, take 2 pills every night, just see how it affects you. They also sent me the 180-day supply, and again it's just a bigger box. I'm sorry, I cannot get over the packaging. I love the character. It's simple, it's in your face, it is what it is, and it's self-explanatory, which I think is brilliant. So this is your 180-day supply. This is just beautiful. So I'm gonna be taking these pills every night, 2 pills a night. I'm gonna be taking it for a month, but I'm also going to be documenting my experience and my journey with this, and just take you along the ride with me, update you if I feel any different. I cannot wait to take these. I cannot wait to try these out. Thank you so much once again, Gynoveda, for sending me these, and I'm gonna be sure to put them to good use. Thank you so much. Hey, good morning, guys. So this is actually going to be my 3rd week update for the detox pill. I missed out on 2 weeks, just family stuff going on, so I couldn't record. But I wanted to show you my skin early in the morning. Like, I haven't washed my face. What I've noticed now is a lot of my dry skin has just been peeling off. So I don't know if you can see here, I have dry patches and everything. So one thing that I've realized after taking the detox pill, I've noticed week after week that my dead skin cells are peeling off. Like, they're just coming up as dry skin and they're just flaking off, and it's led to more glowy and more beautiful skin, and I really love that, especially because shoots and all are happening. I'm applying makeup. It really irritates your skin, so you kind of need the detox because it really detoxifies your system. It helps you out with your skin. It cleanses your body. I've felt a lot better internally. Like, I've just felt more rejuvenated, more awake in the mornings. I haven't been feeling groggy. I think that's just an amazing thing because I am definitely not a morning person. Like, I'm recording this at 7:30 in the morning right now with no makeup. I've not even washed my face because I wanted to show you the skin. Like, we all want beautiful and glowy skin. So I thought, why not just give you guys a quick update essay before I go and take my bath and everything. So far, this is week 3 for me, and I am loving the detox pill. I just think it's an absolute must-have, especially if you have skin issues. I know because of makeup and everything, I would get like redness, just like this, bumps and everything. But I've noticed, like, if you can see on this side, it's gone down. There aren't any bumps. The redness is very less. So I can see it doing wonders to my skin. I really love this. I think it is absolutely fantastic. Gynoveda, thank you so much for making this. It is a lifesaver, especially when it comes to skin. Like, that is the biggest difference that I've noticed. So definitely go ahead and give it a try, guys. It's been about 60 or so days here and there since I started taking the detox pill by Gynoveda. I have some fantastic results which I wanted to share with you guys. The major thing that I noticed happened in the month of December. I started taking this in the beginning of December, and as you know, December can be party central. You're partying, it's Christmas, it's New Year's, you're eating a lot of junk food. It's bound to happen. You can't run away from that, right? The next morning, I was anticipating a horrible stomach ache, constipation maybe, just stomach problems all in all. What really surprised me was nothing like that happened. No stomach aches. No bloating in the morning from eating all of those heavily sugared and salty foods and drinking so much. None of that happened. My skin was clear as day. No bloating, no acidity, no constipation. All of those horrible feelings that you feel the next day after indulging, nothing. Nothing like that whatsoever. That is when I swore by this pill. I was like, this is going to be something that I incorporate in my daily routine now. When you have to be in front of the camera all the time or on the stage, you have to make special appearances, anything, having a companion that has you covered, has all of the bases covered, is a godsend. Whenever these kinds of things happen, I always tend to regret the night before. But now I don't have to do all of that. Now I don't have to regret it. I have my buddy with me, I have my companion, I have the anti junk pill with me. So Gynoveda knows how much I love all of my followers, and so they gave me a discount code for you guys. The discount code is Virali. It is applicable on a 3-month order of the women-centric detox pill. You can get the 3-month pack for 1200 originally on the website, but with the discount code, you get flat 200 rupees off. This is only applicable on prepaid orders. You will not regret this. You guys need to try this out. Go ahead, use that discount code, try it for yourself and see how it makes you feel. See the changes that you feel. Thank you so much, Gynoveda, for sending me the detox pill. This has definitely become my companion, something that I am going to be using every day and which I do use every day. It has become a part of my routine. So thank you so much, Gynoveda, for creating this amazing pill. I really appreciate it.